I'm back again with another video, very helpful one, and trust me, you will love it. Hello, this is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes, and trust me, you will love them. Okay, if today is the first time here, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Today we have a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do. Okay, so just stay and then enjoy the video. I have with me here my all kinds of seafood, okay, different kinds of fishes and other things. We are going to fry them, clean them very well, fry them very well, and then share some tips with you. By the way, I used to sell fried fish. Yes, I started selling fried fish when I was in class 4 till when I was about to get to tertiary. That was when I stopped because of some personal reason. Okay, yes, I'm very old, Debbie. Because now I sell fish again. Yes, once a fish seller is always a fish seller. Now I have my fish here. This is round scarred fish. Round scarred fish. It's not the same as Ghana fish, Ghana fish, or PS or Jackson. It's not the same thing. Okay, the PS or Jackson is horse mackerel. Okay, but this one is round scarred fish. It looks just like montonching. So let's say this is montonching. Okay, yes, I have cleaned it very well. Scrape off the scale, cut them according to the size that I want. I am very sure you are familiar with this one there. Everyone will know this is tilapia fish. Yes, I am cleaning it just the way I did to the round scarred fish. Trust me, the round scarred fish is currently one of my favorite fishes. Okay, I love it. It is so good. I know, dear, fofo it is not expensive as well. Bochu bebre, and it is not expensive. I love it. Now I'll cut all the fins. If you like it, you can keep it. I personally sometimes do not cut it. Okay, but this I am doing it different way, and I'm not the one going to enjoy this. So yeah, cut it perfectly, even though the person wants it the way I want it. So maybe some I will leave it, some I will not leave it. Now I have with me here my white perch fish. Okay, I'll be writing the name on the screen because I got a complaint some time ago that sometimes you do hear what I say but maybe the spelling. So I will try my best to write the names on the screen. That side I am not going to cut it. Yes, I told you, some I'm going to make it my way, and some I'm going to make it just the way that maybe she will like it or any other person, but she says she likes it just the way I like mine. So I remove the intestine and then the grill, and then we are just going to leave it whole like this. We are not going to cut it. Okay, on the other side I have my sardines. The other day I shared with you the difference between sardines and then herrings. I don't know if I've brought the video yet or it's about to come, but I'm pretty sure that I shared it with you. So I cleaned it just the way I did to the others, and now I'm cutting the tail. Okay, because the tail was too long for me. Forget about that paper. I always tell you that when you mess up the place, whether you like it or not, when you are done, you will be the same person who will clean it. So why not do it at the same time whilst you are doing your thing? It doesn't make you fake or anything. Okay, that is just by the way. I have with me here my red fish or red snappers. Yeah, this one, oh my goodness, it is very expensive. As for red fish, it is very, very, very expensive, but trust me, I do not like it as compared to round scarred fish. Hey, I'm a fulele. Round scarred fish tastes so good. Okay, yes. Now I have my squid here and then my shrimps. Yes, the smaller shrimps and then the a bit bigger. Now, this is the lemon we are going to use to clean our fish very well, because you know that fishy smell. Oh my goodness. So I have the perch fish here and then the red snappers together, because you will know the reason. Okay, I am cleaning it very well with the lemon. After that, I will add some water to it, clean it very well, and then I'll get back to you. We are going to do the same thing to all of them, and this is our squid. As for the squid, I love it. Yes, I love it. And then our shrimps, we are just going to repeat it the same way. Hello, returning subscribers and followers. Oh my goodness, aren't you amazing? You are. Thank you so much for always spending quality time with me here. I do appreciate it. Okay, so guys, we are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. So after we cleaned all with lemon juice and then the water, we allow them to stay in the salt water for some time. Okay, about 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending on the type of fish. I hope you get it. After that, we strain it, and that was what you saw in the strainer. Now we are going to fry the fish. Our oil is very hot, and this is what we are going to do. You saw all-purpose flour earlier. You can use bread flour, you can use soft flour, any flour of your choice. Okay, we coated the fish and now we are frying it. We are starting with the red fish and then the perch fish, because you can't start in this video, or the type of fish we are using right now, you can't start frying your fish by frying the what do you call it, the sardines. No, even if it's not here, but it's different types of fishes that you'll be using, my dear. You don't fry sardines, herrings before you fry other fishes. I will show you in the video why you shouldn't fry that first. Now, when the other side is well fried, you just flip it to the other side and then you are good to go. I still have my skills, so share. I still have my skills. Okay, I told you earlier, once a fish seller, oh my goodness, will always be a fish seller. A decorated monkey, oh my goodness, is still a monkey. So we still have the skills. That is just by the way. Now the other side is also well fried. I'm just going to remove them. Okay, but some are still soft. We will make sure they fry very well before we remove them from the oil. I just want some to be very dry, and some I don't want it to be very dry, because of they have a kid in the house, may also enjoy that. By the way, the other side is banku. I'm preparing banku, so if you've not watched the banku video, please go through my videos and then watch the banku video. You will like it. Okay, and I told you earlier that it was a busy day. Oh my goodness. Now the next set of fishes we are coming to fry is our tilapia, and then the round scarred fish. That is the next set or group that we are frying. And I told you that be very careful you don't fry herrings and then sardines first before you fry any other type of fishes that you want to fry. Okay, so that we coated those ones as well, and they are doing it very well. You can as well fry everything without coating them with the flour. Okay, you can just sprinkle some of the flour in the oil and then you go ahead and then fry it. It is perfect, but this is how we are doing it today. That set is also ready. We will remove it from the oil, allow it to rest on the paper towel or your colander. It is very, very, very important. Okay, now we are done and we are frying the herrings. Yes, we did not coat that. We did not coat it with the flour. We are just frying it straight away. When you get to that point, or any point that you want to fry different type of fish or fishes, you just make sure you remove everything, any particle from the oil before you fry it. So this is the reason why I told you earlier, do not fry your sardine or your herrings before any other type of fishes. Do you get it? You see, the oil is messed up. I'm gonna say, but see, I am not going to throw it away because it does not smell. Still, the oil is good, and I am not going to change the oil and then use another oil, but I'll clean it very well before I proceed with the process. If you are still with me, thank you so much. You are amazing. I really appreciate your time here. You have stayed with me from the beginning till the end. You are so sweet. Yes, now I've cleaned the oil and this is how it looks. I've removed every particle. I'll go ahead and then fry the shrimps. So after frying the shrimps, the next thing we will do is I'll fry the squid, and that is perfect. Don't fry the squid before you fry the shrimps, okay? But if you want to do so, you can go ahead and do so. Now we are done with everything. Make sure you arrange them very well by allowing the head to be down, okay, so that the oil can drain very well and the fish can last longer. Yes, that is the way that your fish can last longer. And funny thing is insane remo funny thing face form send beya and guano best sunny if you come on na and say, but I say so jimbre na share me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.